everyone. I'm Montana Ray, local sommelier here in Denver. I'm the owner of The Wine Ship, and you may have seen my monthly articles about wine that I write for Dining Out. So very happy to be here today at Barolo Grill with the amazing Erin Lindstone. Yes. We were kind of joking that you've been in the wine business, particularly in this beautiful establishment, which is really a Denver icon, Barolo Grill. It's been here, how many years is the restaurant? 1995 it opened?
1992, December of 92, so we're coming up on our 33rd year.
So anyway, we're going to taste some wine today. We are going to talk about the cellar. I'm here in the cellar. I don't think this is an opportunity a lot of people get. And we want to hear a little bit about you, but before we get into it, I need to tell you congratulations, because last year you were the recipient of the inaugural Michelin Sommelier Award.
Yes.
And if for someone who's not even quite ready to share how long you've been working here and in this wonderful restaurant, I think that's just so amazing. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Very special.
Yeah, it was a big surprise, and it was given to both myself and Ryan Flutter, our owner, together.
Yeah.
Still took a number of years to wrap my brain around this wine program, and then when Ryan Flutter, our current owner, purchased the restaurant in 2015, it was a good time for me to kind of transition more to the wine side.
Yeah.
And continue to build the program up to what it is today.
Which is, how many bottles are in here? You probably know. I can't even fathom.
Just did inventory recently, so I could give you an exact number, but altogether we have around 12,000 bottles in our inventory.
12,000 bottles.
Just about 2,000 selections of different wines.
Because the focus of the restaurant is Northern Italian, so the cuisine is generally Northern Italian, but you guys you do a little variation, a little bit of, when there's something called for, you kind of get a little bit of freedom, a little leeway.
You got it. The menu is informed by these annual trips that we take as a staff together. We close the restaurant for a couple of weeks each summer and travel to Italy to experience the food, the wine, the hospitality, and bring that all back to our guests here. And
see, that's not a thing. That's part of why people stay for so long, I'm sure, but also the education. There's no way to replace having the hands-on, boots on the ground, in the vineyard, in the cellar, tasting. That's
exactly.
So cool.
Yes,
yeah.
The best way to learn is to be there and have that full enriched experience. And it keeps everyone inspired, it keeps everyone engaged and connected to what we're doing, and really allows for our guests to have some built-in trust that we know what we're talking about.
And
when
it's
they're
fresh.
Confronted with this behemoth of a wine list, they know that we can help guide them through it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Great to see you.
Great to see you.